Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. So here I've already opened my Google Calendar, and then what you need to do next is click on the desired date or time slot. For example, I'm going to have a meeting next week at the end of the month, or at the end of the month, and then click on the time slot, for example at 1 p.m. Just click on this and then click on, and then you can just type in the title, for example client A, and then if you're done choosing the time slot, and then click on add guest to invite the attendees of the meeting, for example like this, and then you can add nih. As you can see here, the Google Meet link has been created automatically by the Google Calendar, and then you can just copy it, but you can also click on save, and then the invitation will be sent to your guest that you has been added in here. And then you can also add the location and also a description or attachment regarding the meeting. And when you're done, just click on save. As you can see, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? And then if you want to send it, just click on send. But if you don't, just click on don't send option. I'm going to click send. And just like that, the meeting schedule has been created, and then the invitation has been sent into your guest or your attendees in your meeting, in your next meeting. Okay, so that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll see you on next video. Bye bye.